Hi guys, I'm going to go over some tips for you to install these window clings successfully. I'd like to talk about, first off, is doing the prep work. I'd like to say the temperature range to help you get these installed would be somewhere between 50 and 85 degrees. If it's below 50, it's going to be too cold for the glass and it's not going to stick very well. And if it's over 85, it's going to be too hot, and in the sun it's going to be too hot. What's going to happen is your vinyl is going to stretch and you're going to have a real hard time. Next thing I'm going to talk about is getting the glass clean. Just use Windex, maybe a little razor blade to scrape off glue. Once your glass is clean, we can talk about the tools. The tools you're going to need are Windex, paper towels, roll of tape, blue tape would be best, some scissors, Sharpie, and measuring tape. And of course you'll need a credit card or a debit card or something with a hard edge. To prepare your squeegee, set it in the paper towel, roll it up like this, and tape it up. This gives you a nice soft edge and protects your card so that you can use this as a squeegee. Next thing to talk about is placement. By now you should have a clear idea of where your graphics go. The most important thing is to have all your graphics on the same height all the way around your store, and to consider the mullion here, the window frame, when you're doing your placement. Once you determine where your placement is, then the other important thing to consider is a space between every graphic should be blank. In other words, a graphic, an open window, a graphic, and an open window.